In this video, we'll explore how Passbolt can be used to centralize, organize, and share privileged credentials and secrets within your IT team, as well as secure everyone else's passwords. It takes only a few minutes to get started with Passbolt. Once your admin account is created, you will see the main workspace. Here you can easily import items. Passbolt supports multiple formats like CSV and Keepass KDBX files. With just a few clicks, your Keepass data smoothly transitions into Passbolt, maintaining the same folder structure and preserving all your vital information, including passwords, TOTP, multiple URIs, password expiry, and custom fields. The migration is instant and comprehensive. Now that we have all our credentials and folders, let's take a look at how we can share them with users or groups. While users and groups can be created manually, this becomes inefficient at scale. Passbolt addresses this by synchronizing with an existing user directory, such as Active Directory. This establishes the directory as the single source of truth for user provisioning, ensuring that access is centrally managed. Here in the AD Sync admin section, you will be able to sync only the users and groups that you want. With your users and groups in place, it's time to share credentials. Passbolt's sharing gives you fine-grained control over who has access to what. Any item can be shared individually, or you can also share an entire project folder with a team, and by default, they inherit access to all the secrets, including passwords, TOTPs, etc., and subfolders within. For example, you can grant one group read-only access while giving another update rights to modify credentials in that same folder. To enforce the principle of least privilege, you can then restrict access to a specific subfolder or even a single password. This ensures every team member has access to exactly what they need for their role and nothing more. Shared items and folders appears instantly in the workspace of your team members, ready for use. Selecting a credential reveals its full life cycle in the activity log. This provides a transparent, cryptographically backed audit trail of every action and can be exported to an organization's SCIM for monitoring. Using the credential is just as easy. The browser extension automatically detects the login page and autofills the details with a single click. This even works across multiple URLs associated with the same account, optimizing the login process securely and efficiently. And this access isn't limited to the browser. Passbolt provides native applications for iOS, Android, and Windows, ensuring secure access to credentials and secrets from anywhere. So far, we have seen how Passbolt supports secure collaboration at a team level, but it can also be used for your entire organization. Passbolt's business features support your requirements as your usage scales, ensuring security and control are never compromised, whether you're a team of 5 or 5,000. As the user count grows, managing user access at scale becomes critical. Passbolt simplifies this with single sign-on capabilities. By integrating with providers like Microsoft, you can enforce your company's authentication policies directly. This allows users to log in with their existing company credentials, streamlining access and centralizing security. As your organization grows, Passbolt stays in sync with your Active Directory or Entra ID. User provisioning and deprovisioning happen automatically. Your identity provider remains a single source of truth, so access is always accurate and you stay compliant. What happens if a user loses their passphrase or their private key without account recovery? The only way forward is to delete the user account and start from scratch. With this feature, users can request a recovery from an administrator. Once an administrator approves the request, users can finalize the recovery with a new passphrase and download a new private key. This provides a secure way to restore access, preventing data loss and keeping your team productive without compromising security. Managing password lifecycles and rotations in teams can be a challenge. Passbolt handles this for you with its password expiry feature. You can customize expiration rules based on your organization's policies, significantly reducing the risk of outdated credentials. Password expiry lets you mark automatically passwords as expired on access revocation, customize expiration rules based on your own organization policies, and configure email notifications to never miss a password that must be rotated. Managing more users increased the need for tailored security policies. Passbolt's role-based access control gives administrators centralized control over user permissions. For instance, the exporting resources can be disabled with a single click. Consistently ensuring strong passwords across an entire organization is fundamental to security. Passbolt's password policy feature allows administrators to set a secure baseline for all credentials. You can customize the default strength for both passwords and passphrases, ensuring they align with your organization's security policies. Ready to get started? Try the Passbolt Pro and Cloud for free or install Passbolt Community Edition, free forever. Visit Passbolt at passbolt.com. Thanks for watching.